If that is the sound your Mac is making, this video is for you. Let's tear down the Mac and start diagnosing. You're going to need Apple Pentalobe 5-star screwdrivers. Remember where the screws came from. After you remove the screws, gently lift up the shell with your fingers. If the shell is not separating from the chassis, use triangular spudgers to leverage and release the lock. Now that the shell is out of the way, let's start the diagnostics. Let's start up the Mac. While the fans are running, we'll know which fan is faulty. And that's the Apple chime. Let's see where it is coming from. It looks like the left one. What I'm about to do is performed under controlled conditions and shouldn't be tried if you do not have an engineering background. I'm about to remove the power connector to the left fan while our Mac is running. This way, we'll know if the chattering stops. And that was the culprit. If you have been following along with me, you might want to power down the Mac before removing the fan. Just press and hold the power button for 10 seconds and it will power down automatically. First, let's isolate the power. Let's disconnect the battery cable from the PCB. Use a plastic spudger to remove the battery connector. Remove the adhesive battery connector cover before removing the connector. Slightly force it until it releases from the PCB connector. Put a piece of adhesive between the battery connector and the battery port in the PCB to avoid the battery connector touching the PCB battery port while you work. First, remove the power connector to the fan. The fan is fixed to the PCB with 3 Torx screws. Note that all 3 Torx screws fastening the fan to the PCB are of 3 different sizes that you have to remember. Now lift the fan with your fingers or a spudger. All the way out and you're done. These fans are still available in the open market, although you may not be able to get the original. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit my website at theithelpguy.com for free troubleshooting tips.